Ooh, what is going on, Daily Dose of Lows fam? Y'all already know it's your boy. Hope y'all are having a great day. Man, look at this. It is snowing today. And what do we have going on today? Y'all's already seen the video. I got water bottles in my hand right now. Excuse me for the bad camera angle. Let's unlock the truck. Let's hop in here real quick. What do we got going on today? Let me tell y'all something. First of all, got another install video. I know I've been bringing a lot of install videos to y'all lately, but here's what we got going on. We have, I don't know if you guys can see this here, we got these new Toytec rear extra heavy duty rear springs to install on the 4runner. So why are we installing heavy duty springs on the 4runner today? Well, here's what's going on is, one, when I bought the springs, they were just a like standard 3-inch with a 3-inch lift or whatever, but I did not think about compensating or weight increase from anything I ever added. So what's happening is the rear end is sagging a bit, and that's just really because I think, as you guys can see, between the rack, the rear tire carrier and whatnot, it is caused a bit of an issue. So what's happened now is my rear end sags, and what's happening because of that is when we're off-roading or trail riding, whatever you want to call it, and I got gear in the back, and I air down, I end up losing a lot of what is of my lift, or a lot of lift, I guess. We'll put it that way, right? So because of that, and I do have plans in the future to build a rear drawer system and to install a rear bumper. So because of that, I now realized that I'm gonna go ahead and sacrifice a little bit of ride quality in the meantime so that I can go ahead and install these rear springs. That is the purpose of today's installation video, is to install heavier springs in the back to be able to support more weight, to allow us to carry more stuff without honestly losing height, and yeah, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. So let's hop on in here. And as you all can see, normally a lot of my install videos are outside, excuse me, I should say, but today's video is going to be brought to you inside. And the reason that is because, again, it's snowing, it's wet, not really something we want to do outside. So let's do this. We're in the 4runner. We're gonna hop over to my buddy JJ's house. He's got an indoor garage that's heated, and let's throw this installation on in, and let's head on over there. So let's go ahead and get this episode started. 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, y'all, we went ahead and made it over to JJ's house, man. Got a heated garage. It's super nice in here, actually. It's a lot better. It's like 20 degrees outside. Actually, I don't even know how cold it is, but it is snowing, slushy, raining. Don't want to be outside. But the homie hooked us up with an indoor place. What's up, JJ?
What's that?
Hey, JJ's a homie, man. He actually runs Instagram, Yota Central, and the website Yota Central. So check it out. I'm going to put a link in the description. Wow, let me speak. In the description. He's got a bunch of stuff coming and more stuff loaded to the website. So definitely check it out, man. Check it out on IG. Like I said, check out his website. Stop by, man. Show some love. But let me show y'all something here real quick. So here's what we're doing. Like I said, right now with no weight, y'all might not be able to see it. Probably from the center of the room to about fender, we're looking about 24.5 inches. So 24.5 inches, and that's with the, like I said, the rear rigged ultra swing out on there, and with the rack and whatnot. So we're gonna try to get it lifted up a little bit more. And again, I do have plans to make a rear bumper, a drawer system, and that's really the big thing, man, is just trying to make sure I buy once, cry once, versus buy twice and always crying, because that is where I'm at now, is having to replace parts that I should have bought the first time. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and lift it up, take the wheels off, and kind of just look at what we need to remove, and let's go ahead and get started on this. Alright guys, so here's what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and just disconnect the sway bar, and then we're going to knock the shock out, and we're going to do that to the other side, and that should allow for some droop to allow us to pull the springs out and throw the new ones in there. That's kind of where we're at right now. Alright, so as you guys can see, we went ahead and got the sway bar disconnected, got the rear shock removed, went ahead and took care of the ABS line, disconnected it from the actual axle. So now we're just repeating the same thing on the other side, and then that should allow the rear axle to kind of droop, which should allow us to pull those springs out, and then we can install these bad boys right here. Boom! What does that look like? A spring compressor? Let me show y'all this real quick. Just size difference. That's my current setup, and this is a new setup. Look at this difference there just in height. So as you guys can see, these are going to be a lot stiffer and give us a little bit more height, just to allow for a better drawer, a heavier drawer system, or a drawer system I should say, in rear bumper install. Hopefully in the future, install process should be just easy. Same process, just reverse steps of the install, or the removal, I guess. So let's go ahead and jump on that now. Huge shout outs to JJ. He got it put in here. Oh, the light's not very well on this. It's not very good on this side, but nonetheless, it is there. It is good to go. We went ahead and got the springs put back on. We are now going to go ahead and put everything back together, put the shocks back in, connect the sway bar, and hook the ABS lines back up, and put the tires on, and we'll see what it sits. Like I said, I think it was like 24 inches, I think, or 24 and a half. I'll put it right here, and if it is incorrect. But let's go ahead and put it all back together. Let's see how it sits, and see if we went ahead and fixed my saggy rear end and got it nice and give it that Brazilian butt lift. You know what I'm talking about? Let's see what that looks like here. Throw this back on here. I'm excited, man. I'm excited just because it won't sag no more. It's gonna give me the confidence when we're on the trails with having, like I said, a drawer system, or having a bigger bumper, or just carrying things and not having to worry about losing my clearance, or having that additional room that I normally would have without having to air down. Because I mean, I do like to enjoy it. I do want to make sure that at the same time I'm able to clear obstacles and not having to worry about damaging the truck, or not having enough clearance to complete an obstacle, those type of things, right? So almost done. I appreciate y'all sticking around. Let's go ahead and finish this up. We about to lower it, guys. As you can see, kind of current results, but we got to take these jack stands out real quick. So I'm gonna knock these out. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Let's see. Oh, as y'all can see, there's a major rake in here. Got like let's see what it looks like. I think it was like 24 inches. I'm gonna grab that tape measure real quick, JJ. Let's see. From the center to the bottom of the fender, where does it put us at? Center. That's about it. But what, like 27? 27, yeah. 27. Oh man. Man, that is a lift. Boom, guys, we are officially done. What we thought was going to be a quick little install turned into a little bit of a longer install, but nonetheless, JJ came through, man. He figured it out, man. The man behind the science fixed it. So let me show y'all this real quick. No longer does it have a saggy rear end. Up here, Brazilian butt lift. Look at that thing. Ooh, boy. And it was like 27 inches, right, JJ? I think that we ended up getting. So look at that. I could fit something in there. I don't know what I need to fit. Maybe 35s? That'd be crazy. But this looks mean, man. I just got to lift the front back up and we'll be leveled out. But as y'all can see, that's what it looks like. Bad little thing. So now we're going to go test drive it and we shall be done. All right, y'all. I am officially on the way home. It's officially done. It's officially done and over with. Super excited, man. So far it's got a bit of a rake, I guess. The rear end is definitely lifted up. And I think really that's just going to be because of the simple fact that these springs are set to have a 3-inch lift with weight in the back. Like I said, I don't have much weight in the back now besides the ultra swing arm and what is really the spare tire. But once I get my rear drawer set up and my rear bumper set up, it is going to be definitely a weight increase. So that should help alleviate some of that. In addition to it, I think I might be able to get a little bit more lift out of my front coilovers. So that might help. But with that being said, when I get to the crib, I will show you guys some outside pictures of it. I'll give you guys a little B-roll of that. But I'm officially done, officially headed home. It is 20 degrees outside. It is freezing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, man. So again, this was just an upgraded version from what is just the standard Toytec rear lift springs to the heavy duty XD, I think, or HD springs. These are their newest ones. I think they've come out here within the last year. I might be wrong, but I'll link them in the description below for sure for you guys. So these the 4runner already had a lift, already has a lift, so this was just to increase it and to get rid of that rear saggy bottom. You know what I'm saying, man? Got to get that nice Brazilian butt lift on it. You know, it was sagging, it wasn't looking so well, but nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little install update. If so, you all know what to do. Hit that like button. And again, if you are a new viewer to the channel, you like what you see, continue to check out the channel, check out the clips. And if you do like what you see, again, hit that subscribe for me. It definitely means a lot for me, means a lot for the channel, definitely helps with it. You know, hit that notification bell so that next time I get a post something new, I will notify you. Other than that, last little thing is I will be in Springfield, Missouri for the weekend at the Moore Expo. I'm gonna go check that out, and then I'm gonna be at S'more Park doing a little bit of off-roading. If the weather permits, I might camp. If not, I'm probably going to grab a hotel just because I'm gonna be a little chicken about it, you know, and try to maintain some sort of warmth. And I don't know yet. We'll see what happens next week. But till then, I will see you guys on the next clip. I'll see you on the next video. Yo boy, Daily Dose of Los, I'm out. Y'all know what to do. Follow your path. Peace.